Well, this morning, little baby boy was sitting right on the edge of his nest, but he had not flown yet. And I was going to grab the camera and get a picture of him sitting out there. That's the first time he'd been out of the nest. Oh, I just spotted him. I had some company show up and I didn't get the camera right away. But here he is. Here's a little baby boy on his first time out from the nest. If I can get him in. There he is. There's the little boy. He's almost as big as Mama, but he's got a little short beak. So you can tell him by that. I'm calling him a he, but I don't know. He seems to be kind of colorful. He's got that little black spot on him there and has some color, so maybe it's a male. Anyway, pretty cute. So I'm going to kind of put together a progressive video showing from the egg until now. I wish I had spotted her in time. I only got to see her carry just a few pieces of that bloom from the cottonwood trees, that real soft white cotton that she lined the nest. That would have been fun to get that on film, and it would have been good to catch her feeding him, but I just never did. Got busy with projects and I missed that part. But anyway, baby boy has left the nest. Houston, the eagle has landed. I was in my office the other day and looked out the window, and I discovered a hummingbird nest. This hummingbird was building a nest. There was only one egg, what, 5 days ago, a week ago? Now there's 3. And I know now that she sits on the nest quite a lot more. It looks like Mama is away feeding, and I'm going to try and get a real quick shot here. Don't know what I'll see exactly. Tried to get a picture yesterday. And Mama came home and I had to split. And there she is. I hear her and she's not happy. So I will retreat. It's okay, Mama. There you go. There's a little guy. Little beak poking up there, and it's kind of dark in here, so don't know how well you'll be able to see him. But there he is. I don't know how well this is going to come out. We'll see. It's pretty cute, that little beak sticking up there.